Good day everyone, I am Deck Cadet Gonzalez Romel Jr. and for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to conduct a compass correction in application with the variation on the chart, the deviation table, and how to compute the compass error. So let's start. So here is the scenario. At 1200 hours, the vessel is the vicinity of Lagunoy Gulf with by visual observation using the magnetic compass. The OOW observed Sialat Port and Aguho Port in transit which bore 345 degrees PSC. So the first thing to do is to update the chart to the present year. So here in the chart, the the year given is 2013. So we're going to subtract 2021 by 2013. So it goes like this. 2021 minus 2013 will come up to 8 years. So after this, we will going to multiply 8 by 2, which is the variation every year. So multiply it by 2 minutes west. So we will come up to the answer of 16 minutes west. After this, we will going to convert it by degrees by dividing it by 60. So 16 minutes west divided by 60 is equals to 0 degrees 16 minutes west. So after this, we will going to add or subtract the variation in the chart by this. So 0 degrees 16 minutes west plus we're going to add since their direction is the same. So we will come up to the answer 1 degrees 31 minutes west and round it off to 2 degrees west. And now here is the variation in 2021. And the second step is to conduct a compass correction. Since the bearing is 345 degrees PSC, we will going to compute from compass course, or we're going to use the formula or the process C DMVT. So if you are going from compass course to true course, you will going to subtract west and add east. This if you are going to this direction. If you are going to from true course to compass course, you will add west then subtract east. Since our compass course is 345 degrees PSC, we will and the next step of this is to find the deviation. So here in the deviation table, since the given value is in between of the two values which are the 340 and 360. So with this, we were going to interpolate. For the third step, is the interpolation. Since the 340 the is in between in the 340 and 360, so we're going to find their difference. So 340, 345, and 360. Subtract 345 minus 345 to 340. So the difference is 5 degrees. And next is 360 subtracted by 340. We will come up to the answer of 20 degrees. And after this, we will look the value of 340, 345, 360 in the deviation table. So here in the deviation table, the value of 340 is 4 degrees. And the 345, since it is unknown, we will going to put x because there is no value in the division table. And the 360, the value is 6. Same process, x subtracted by 4 cannot be subtracted because the value of 345 is unknown. So 6 subtracted by 6 degrees subtracted by 4 degrees will come up the difference of 2 degrees. After this, we will going to compute. So we'll get this. I'm sorry, I forgot the direction. So we're going to get this. So 4 degrees west plus bracket. We're going to get this. I forgot also the direction. So we get this 2 degrees west. We'll get this. Next is times 5 degrees and divided it by 20 degrees. So we're going to compute. The first step is this. 5 degrees divided by 20 degrees is 0.25. Then 0.25 multiplied by the 2 west. So 0.25 multiplied by 2 degrees west is equals, or rather we'll put 2. So the answer is 5. And after this, after computing this, we'll add 0.5 by 4. So 0.5 plus 4 is equals to 4.5, and rounded it off to 5 degrees west. So now here is for now this is the deviation. The deviation of 345 PSC. So 5 west. And after this, we're going to we're going to subtract 5 degrees by 345 degrees, since we are going from this from compass course to true course. So we're going to subtract west. So 345 degrees my subtracted by 5 degrees west is equals to 340 degrees. And so to find the variation, we already compute it in the previous computation. So our variation is 2 degrees west. So 2 degrees west. So same computation, the direction is west. So we're going to subtract. So 340 subtracted by 2 is equals to 338 degrees. And now this is the true bearing. So at this, if you are given a ship's course, repeat the same process, since I have already corrected a true course of 329 degrees true from a compass course of 335 degrees PSC. And now we're going to plot the true course and the true bearing as it was stated in the Eplan. And now, this is my plotting. Thanks for watching!